Dạ, xin kính chào quý khách. Chúng tôi rất hân hạnh đón tiếp khách xuống đây thăm buôn làng đặc biệt khu du lịch Hồ Lắc của chúng tôi. Nói luôn hả?
Dạ, nói.
Và đặc biệt hơn, chúng tôi đây là người dân tộc Mơ Nông Rơ Lâm. Theo phong tục tập quán của người dân tộc Mơ Nông Rơ Lâm của chúng tôi ở đây, mỗi khi có khách, mỗi khi có lễ hội thì thường mời khách và tiếp khách cúng rượu cần và nghe nhạc rượu cồng chiêng. Bởi vì cuộc cồng chiêng và rượu cần là bản sắc văn hóa đặc trưng nhất của chúng tôi ở đây, đồng thời không thể thiếu được trong cuộc sống thường ngày của chúng tôi. Điều quan trọng hơn, chúng tôi đây theo chế độ mẫu hệ, nghĩa là chúng tôi theo họ mẹ. Chính vậy chúng tôi rất tôn trọng người phụ nữ, đặc biệt sự có mặt của quý khách hôm nay, cũng như các cô gái là sẽ múa bát ngan rôm gian, cũng là múa đón chào quý khách được sức khỏe, dồi dào và hạnh phúc.
So welcome to visit the village of the Manong Rolam people. They are the Manong people. So when you come to visit the village, and they will come, they will enjoy like the traditional rice wine and music, and also the special like in the village, the woman, they think the woman is the best on the top. So when the children they get when they get the marriage, usually the woman asks the man for marriage. And then when the children born, so the children follow more the surname. It's not father name. Yeah. So that's why in the village here they always put the woman on the top. And then when you come to visit, they will show you all the culture and traditional music, what they're going to do in their life, how they live, what they do. Yeah.
Thank you. people just go here, buy chicken, put on the way, and you cut the neck. No, just cut the neck. Cut get all the blood out. Put the hot water. Put in
Yeah. Silkworms, yeah. Nah.
Hello.
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 bamboo shoes. Oh, yeah, big shoes. Big. Pizza melon.
Hello.
Pizza melon.
Quay gì đó?
Pizza melon.
Quay hàng.
You're right, that's only me. You get a bit twitchy in these markets, don't you? Holy dooly. An escapee. Oh, another one jump out. So what are they, snakehead fish?
Yeah.
Snakehead fish. You jumped out of here. There's a lot of seafood, eh?
Catfish.
It's our master of ceremony, our boss man, but he's got to look after the girls.
So today we go to the Lak Lake beach. This is far from here, about 220k. Yeah.
Good.
So
Where are we now?
we are in Phuc An small town. We're beginning from BMT to here about 38k. Yeah, we call BMT. That small town here, Phuc An. That's the city, the small town. They grow a lot of cashew and coffee. So I just got a coffee. Yeah,
Yep,
that's
beauty.
from this area. That's
Yeah.
very good coffee.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today after coffee, and then we go. But the traffic by control. You know, you ride slow. We ride about 20k, 25k. We will stop for picnic.
Yep.
And then after picnic, we go quite good road, windy road up in the mountain, and then down to the small village we call Ninh Hòa. We will stop to see the brick factory. You see the people making brick factory, and then we go to Lak Lake beach.
Excellent.
Yeah, that's a
Thanks.
good place for relax and swimming.
Yep.
And cold beer, hot women.
Good stuff. Thanks. Thanks, Bao. Good on you. So, say what?
Fish trap,
Mm.
and then veggie,
Yeah.
cabbage,
And this is just mine. I'm
green cabbage?
videoing it.
and white cabbage.
Yeah.
White cabbage.
Yeah,
White cabbage.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So I do that one at a time
And then this play you for the bone.
for the bones. Okay.
Yeah, for the bone.
All right.
And then you like chili, hot chili
Yeah.
Put
Yeah.
in here
Yep.
with the fish sauce,
Mhm.
and then you eat with the fish sauce.
All right. Thank you very
That's
much.
it. And then you make yourself
What's the
some.
other people eating? Like Greg
So,
and Joe.
That's your.
Rice. I'm waiting for the.
Oh, okay. So I just do I just keep eating that? Do I?
That's the last day. Today, that's the last day we go to
Can't see
Nha
it.
Trang.
Yeah. Take two.
Today it's the last day we go to Nha Trang. So it's take about 80k to Nha Trang. But we get on the highway 1. But first bit we go on top of the mountain, take a beautiful view of the resort where we stayed last night, and then we go down and then get on the highway 1. And then we stop for coffee and coconut drink.
Gee, nice, it's a nice place. Yeah.
The highway 1 a lot of traffic, so we continue and we will ride to the
This way.
wooden brick
Yep.
Because suspension brake.
Oh, that's right.
Very interesting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and then we stop for lunch and we will say goodbye.
And get rid of us.
Get rid of us. So we miss you all, guys. We miss you all.
Good on you.
We
Thanks,
love you
mate.
a long time.
Okay, back into the boat after a lovely little lunch stop and a few dozen beers. And the waters are a lot calmer now. There's Grant, Ian, Greg. And the big boss, Jason. There he is. Oh, okay. Good on you, Grant. There we go.
So when do you go back to Aussie? I'll probably go to Cambodia on Monday. I'll be there for a week. Yeah, and then I'll wait to back here.
This is the Regency in Nha Trang, Vietnam. Lovely view, 28th floor.
Time, you know, like coffee go very high.
Yeah.
It's very high price. Everyone, they get rich by the coffee. So they buy a car, they buy good motorbike. You know, every time who got the one motorbike, they are rich family. But in the city, one motorbike every time from Japan, it's cost maybe 10,000 or 20,000 US dollars for one motorbike. And who got this one? They are rich. But the people in this highland here, they bought this motorbike they use for carry coffee. Working in the farm.
Oh yeah.
So and then they bought a lot of coffee. They borrow money from the bank, and then they use a store for the coffee. I think they think the coffee still go higher, and certainly Brazil not export like coffee anymore. They're going down. Many people bank broken. They get killed for themselves because they don't have money to pay back for the government.
Oh, jeez.
So
Kill
now
themselves.
the coffee is no more price, you know. And you know, in 1975, after the war, 1975 until 1995, at the time, like the people they go to the Highland, they do smuggling coffee. Smuggling coffee look like you do like smuggling cocaine. Yeah, because the coffee is very expensive.
Yeah.
So when I was 6 years old, exactly, I do smuggling coffee. With my
Hey, I got that on camera now.
special shirt. They got many pockets.
Yeah.
And trouser. Put all the coffee in my body. And I go on the bus, local bus. You know, before the bus, they not run by diesel. They run by the coal. You know, coal.
Coal.
You sit behind
God, you
it,
must be 108
and
years
then
old.
We go up on the mountain, police always stop. But I go 1 time, 2 times, that's okay. And then the 3rd time, they say, I looked at you before, you go, you're very tame, now you come back, you get and then they stop, and then put me and my mom not in the police office, you know, for 2 days. Yeah, at the time we don't have like phone or contact to find out.
No.
So my father know that, and then after they all take all the coffee, and then let's go.
Yeah.
So at that time the coffee very expensive. And now the coffee is normal price. Yeah, depend, you know, like when you sell the coffee, right? If you sell green coffee, they got different price.
Yeah.
If you wait for the red coffee, you sell on the tree the different price also. But when you pick up the coffee, you dry out in the sun.
This is
dry
coffee
They
beans.
got different price. And then when you take the husk out, they got different price.
So which is the highest? The last one.
The last one.
The weasel one.
The weasel, the weasels that poo it
coffee
out.
also, like normally, you know, you got like one, like 5 head, right? You just when